Let's go.
Yes, thank you very much. Good afternoon. This is extremely a sad day for us as Kenyans, having lost one of our greatest president that we have ever had. Late President Kibaki, who lies here in state, was a person who we remember as having spearheaded and navigated this country from single-party state to a multi-party state, having become the third president of the Republic of Kenya in the year 2002. We have lost him at a time when Kenya required his wisdom, political wisdom. But we also know he was a statesman that was unique, that he listened to what people were saying before he made a decision. Late President Kibaki spearheaded this country out of terrible economic time of the 90s in ensuring that we got a real economic state of country where everybody alikuwa anasema tunajifunia kuwa wa Kenya. We will miss him, we will miss his leadership, we will miss his guidance, his political strength that we all learned from. I worked with him for 10 years as his cabinet minister, and he guided us in such a way that we were able to work in our ministries without any hindrances and without any difficulties. So we remember late His Excellency Mwai Kibaki for the very good things that he did. He was a great economist, he was a reformist statesman, and we'll miss him.